All right, let's go.
Wow! Come on, Beasley! Santa came!
Come on, Beasley.
Yes! Finally! The Ever After High Dog! Did you guys give me this?
Yes.
Come on, Beasley, come down.
Mama, look, I got the Ever After High Dog!
Ooh, is that the one you wanted?
Uh-huh.
Hey.
So look!
Come on, Beasley.
She has her own diary, too! And she didn't bring... Oh.
Come on, Beasley, down, bud.
I got another nice look. It's some of the cookie. And some of the gingerbread. Wow, his teeth are really sharp.
And look, moved all the nutcrackers because you were so worried about him breaking them. Okay?
Like a little pet.
Nothing broke. Okay, calm down.
Papa. Hey. Help me.
Beasley, where are you?
The Ever After High
Monkey.
Dog.
You can leave all that up there, okay? She hasn't even made it down the stairs yet.
Let's see what Santa brought you.
Come down the stairs. There's more stuff down here. Just leave all that.
The
We'll
Ever
come
After
back to it.
Diary. With pen.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Okay, but look at all your stuff down here.
No, that's... Oh, I'll give that to her.
What?
That's your sister's.
Mommy, look, the Ever After High Diary.
Oh, Chico said, Merry Christmas!
And an Ever After High dog.
What is that, Tiago?
Here he is.
Yes.
That's your hair. Oh, yeah, that's what you got last night.
Vita, don't look over there, Vita.
Mommy, look. Oh, the Raven Fairy outfit.
Oh, for who?
Rita, yours
Vita.
over there. Over there.
Vita,
Behind you.
Vita, look at me, Mama. This stuff is all yours.
Hold on.
Lala!
Look, Mama.
Ooh, who's that?
Twilight sparkles. And her wings flick out. Mom, do you like these all
Those are stickers.
Let me open.
Okay, keep going. What else you got?
A little. I can't believe it.
Pinkie
Pie. Oh, see, the tea party.
Hold it up.
And we had the lighting thing. And just how I wanted. Oh no, that's what I wanted to be.
Okay, what else, Vita?
Coloring book.
Oh, that'll be fun, Penny.
And that Princess Kate is on it. Two Pinkie Pies. See? Two Pinkie Pies. Two.
Tell me, what is that?
It's a big giant Lego box.
What's the other stuff? What's that other Lego thing? Ooh, what's that, Tiago?
The racetrack I wanted.
For what?
Hot dog.
For cars?
Mommy. I came with two cars. I love it. I love it. It's the best cookie ever.
You love it?
Look at your brother got. Actually, I think I bought him. That's what I
Oh,
bought him.
look, Mommy.
Yeah, sure.
A little mermaid.
Oh, let me see, Penny. Oh,
Oh, I'm gonna go open
it's
Tommy's.
a jacket.
Oh my goodness, another Fast and Furious.
That's 6. What's that, Vita?
Caillou.
You got Caillou? Let me see it. Look at me. Hold him up.
Look.
Eyes on me.
And
Good.
another ballerina doll.
Oh, who's that, Tiago? You don't have him?
Nope.
All right.
Hey, there's a pillow for your dog. You should each get some pillows. Now let's make it big for him. One for you, one for Susie.
Okay, set it down. What else you got?
There's
Ooh, that's a cool one.
Oh, look, Mommy. A
Molly's Christmas too?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Beta, what do you got? What is
A
it?
Caillou farm train. Farm wagon. Mama,
What?
doesn't this look the same? But it's not.
No? Well, the little cars are from your sisters. Just so you know, they picked them out yesterday for you.
Thank you, Chinese.
Pizza, what's that big pink mini box?
Mama picked out the big ones. And look at Monster Truck. Yeah. The Princess Bedtime Story.
What's that?
Minnie? Minnie
That's
what?
Ow. Give me big box.
Your big box? What is it?
Minnie.
Is it
Oh
another
my
piece of
goodness.
this is for you?
How sick to know this?
What you got, Zico?
Never mind, keep.
How sick to know this?
What?
You put this on your
A
head.
Lego book?
Yes.
You want a monkey hat, Beta?
There's a monkey hat.
No. A la la.
You have a Lala hat.
You didn't have a monkey hat. I got some socks. More socks.
There's your Lala socks and some socks for you. What are you getting into back there, boy? Wait.
Zombies.
You wait for Dominic to get here.
Dice, this is for dice, this is for dice.
Can we open Grandma Lorena?
Yes.
A snowflake necklace.
Oh, no, it's not.
Ow.
It looks like it goes to Frozen, huh?
It's beautiful. And
Okay, start reading them, buddy.
It's a necklace. It could be a necklace for Molly.
Who's that?
That's Dylan.
What?
Dylan, beautiful.
Dylan gave you a present?
Merry Christmas. Dylan with the eye from
I
school.
told you.
Oh, okay, you gonna open it?
Oh. Mama.
I can't see you, you gotta move.
Oh,
Jago, I can't see you. Hey, that stuff is our family presents. What are those?
Jules.
Oh, growing jewels?
Oh my goodness.
Where
This
you
is
going with
supposed to
that,
grow
dude?
flowers. Ladybugs.
One for each of you, please.
Plus this.
Yeah, that's yours. What you got? Nothing.
You gotta buy him something. Thiago.
Mom, let me open these.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Trace.
look what-
Trace, what else is up there for the family gifts?
Hey, Chinese. Where's one for you?
What's that dice? What's that?
It's a cute. It's like.
It's a new DVD player.
Oh, now the whole family can play with, can watch TV.
And what's the next one? It's a game for family game night. It's called Clue. You have to figure out who did the murder mystery.
Oh, hey, the flower pot.
Yeah. Who's that, Jago?
Grandma Loretta.
Here, you can have.
I can't open it because then I hide it.
Alright, bring it here. You set that down there.
I'll just.
Put that game down so I can see.
So close.
Bring it here.
I'll put it in the light.
Lay it down so I
Just
can
lay
see.
it down. Just set it
Okay,
down.
real quick. Ooh, more pajamas? More Lego pajamas? Wow, dude.
Ooh, I found Tatiana. I think
Ooh, a nice collared shirt.
it's long sleeves.
You like
Made
that,
of
huh?
leaves, huh? That's nice.
I found Tatiana. Let's go to the game.
Pants.
That's it.
Wow. Those are nice. That's nice.
I didn't open something.
And she's ready. Let's put it back.
Pizza, no.
Oh, okay.
A present for you.
I love Christmas.
Ooh, look at this pizza.
Oh, cute.
A zebra jacket.
That's really cute.
Ah, that's a little jeans.
Oh, it's good.
Huh? What's this?
Those are yours.
These are yours, Pizza.
They're from Grandma.
These are from Grandma
I
Retta.
think I found something sweet.
Ooh, Pizza, you got a new pretty dress.
Yes.
Oh, she gave me a
Huh?
card, but
Ooh, nice.
Ooh, a little gingerbread house.
Aw, Pizza,
I know,
that's
look.
cute.
I'm a both screen.
Have her
Got it.
name
A
on
carrot
it?
cane.
Oh, how? Let it kind of go washed out.
Put it back in the plastic. Put it back in the plastic.
Mm.
Have it. Oh, eraser. Ooh, some pretty pink pants.
All right.
Your favorite color.
Oh,
Just keeps on going. There's no bottom to that bag.
that's
Oh,
cute,
cute and
Pizza.
soft.
And that's it.
All right. You say thanks to Grandma Retta?
Yeah, it's early. You're so tired.
Where's your bag from Grandma Retta, Taste?
Jocko, what's Tice looking at over in the corner?
Oh. Ah! My own.
What is it, Jagger?
It's a
Giant lamp. Yay!
Is that what it is?
So you
For
have
what?
to build it out of bricks and wood
Bike.
out back.
For your bike?
yes.
Wow, that's scary. Are you sure?
Yes.
Probably for a very big car race.
For his
You
bike.
can do your cars on it, yeah.
Your scooter. Set it down. Watch out.
You can bring it over here where there's room. On the
Set
back.
it, set it down right there. Not on the ground.
Oops. Hey,
Ooh.
hey, there are more bags over here.
All right.
Those are family gifts. No. Those are for Stacy and Jordan and
When they come over.
Oh, I almost forgot about your guys' gift.
Ooh. You gonna light up green?
Because me and Jabba bought from the holiday shop.
All right.
Two.
And
Yeah,
And
I
then-
stuck two in your bag. That's the advantage.